all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright.
It's so sad.
If you wanna do it, go
Oh, you're so pretty.
I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio.
This is ew.
I got to stay up all night long. How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty. This is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you
Salty.
and I.
What would? Did you like the land bike experience with me?
No.
Okay, good.
He's really horrible at riding line.
Well, no. Also, I like.
Coordinated.
I'm actually coordinated.
Stupid.
Don't stop going till we see the sunrise. You know this is who we are. This is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you.
Salty, stop it. This is great. 5 months.
We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Yeah.
If it's fine by you, I'll
Aiden.
be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through. Everything around us feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Can you put down your finger? Why not? That's what she said.
I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger
Okay.
seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
You said I was the only one.